Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is one of those videos where I walk around on used car lots. This is one I usually don't feel too comfortable to walk around because it's just those cameras that whistle. But anyways, let's see what they have. That Jeep there is nice, but I want to look at this here. This Chevy Corvette here looks pretty cool. As you all know, I'm more the Ford, Lincoln, Shelby, that type of guy, but yeah, I like any car. So let's see what we got here. 70,893 miles. It's a 2014, 10 years old, and $36,000. So if you look at the prices for the new trucks and the used trucks, that's not a bad price. And it's for sale as is. Let's look inside. Yeah, I think it's pretty. Not bad. What I don't like, no tinted windows. Look at this gap here. Look at that. See how that sticks out? Is that normal? I mean, people make fun of the Mustangs and those panel gaps, but for an expensive vehicle like this shouldn't be normal. Let's go look. Yeah, that's huge. I mean, that's a huge gap there. Huge gap. That was the Amazon truck. Yeah, then we have a Mustang and a Tesla Model 3 here. Same color as mine. Panel gaps here are a lot better than the one on that Corvette here. I mean, that's disappointing. Anyways, it's just a Tesla Model 3. This looks like it's the performance model. Has the bigger calipers there and painted, and it has the carbon fiber spoiler right here. See? Which is pretty nice.